Hello everyone, welcome to fluttercoder.in. In last video, we have seen how we can display material banner in our Flutter application between the app bar and the scaffold. Before that, we have seen how we can display the snake bars in our Flutter mobile application. Now, to moving forward, we will be seeing that the different videos about the animations, and we will be starting with the simple animation in the Flutter. So let's start with that. So in this first video, we are going to see the one basic animation that we will be having with the one animation widget and how we can handle it with the setState method of the Flutter. So let me just define some variables. Oops. And in place of this one, we will be using the container, and that we will be adding that inside the center. We will be having the height as the height, as the width, and let's have the color as the color. And let me just add a particular plant that text align will be in the center. And let me just have this color as the yellow one. Now, with the help of the one button click, we will be changing, or we will be animating this container. So for that, we will be just defining this. We will be wrapping this container with the inkwell, and on top of it, we will be having the setState, and inside that, we will be changing the color to the green. Let's have it as a teal. We will be changing the height to 300 and width to the 300 as well. So yes, now let me rerun it again, and if you can see that this is changing its state, and let me just showcase this one boolean is animated equals to true. And we will be using this one if it is animated, and we will be moving back to original one, otherwise it will be moved to the 300. And this will be this as well. So this way, we with the one particular boolean, initially it will be loaded with the initial configuration that we have, and once we click on it, it will be having this change. Now question will be there, where is the animation? It is just updating the parameters of the container, and it is displaying the changes that we have. Now how we can make it smooth? So for that, we have a one animated widget, that is the animated container, and it requires the duration till which time this animation will be get played. So let's rerun it again, and now we can see that the container is now become the animated container, and the duration that it has is the 3 seconds. So once we tap on this one, it will take 3 seconds to animate from its initial configuration to this new parameters. And once we tap on it again, then it will again change back to its initial state from the animated state. So that's how we can easily handle the animation with the basic animated container widget and with the help of the setState. But consider having the multiple widgets on the screen, and where we do not want user to tap on any particular widget to start the animation, but we want to animate it automatically. So in next video, we will be going to see that how we can handle that with the animated builder, animation container, and the animation, that how we can do that. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share it to the friends. To learn more similar kind of things, stay tuned. Thank you very much.